In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an edit warning to a sheet or range in Google Sheets. This is perfect when you want to remind collaborators to proceed carefully without fully locking them out of editing. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once you're in, look to the top toolbar and click on the Data menu. From there, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll set up the warning. In the sidebar, click Add a Sheet or Range. At this point, decide whether you want to protect an entire sheet or just a specific set of cells. If you're protecting a range, you can type it in, like A2D50, or simply highlight the cells directly in the sheet to fill that in for you. If you need the whole sheet protected, switch to the Sheet tab and select the sheet you want. You can also add a short description in the sidebar to remind yourself what this protected area is for, which is handy when you're managing multiple ranges. Next, scroll to the Set Permissions section. Here's the key part. Choose. Show a warning when editing this range. This option doesn't block editing. It simply displays a warning dialog to anyone who tries to change the cells you selected. It's a gentle nudge that says, "Hey, double-check before you modify this." This is great for formulas, summaries, or any areas where mistakes are easy and costly, but you still want to allow flexibility. Click Done to apply the protection with the warning. That's it. From now on, if someone tries to edit that sheet or range, they'll see a warning message first. They can still proceed if they choose, which keeps collaboration smooth while adding a layer of caution. A couple of quick tips to get the most from this. If you want to confirm it's working, try editing one of the protected cells yourself and you'll see the warning pop up. Use clear descriptions so teammates know why the warning is there. And remember, this setting is about awareness, not enforcement. If you ever need stricter control, the same permissions area includes options to limit editing to specific people. You now know how to add an edit warning in Google Sheets, helping your team move fast while avoiding accidental changes. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.